Hey, what's happening? Paul Ingram here at Collie Center. Today we're working on our standard 6 strikes on our double stick. Some Sinawali drills, one of the basics. Grab your double sticks. If you're just getting started in your collie training, if you're brand new, it's a good place for you to start with your double stick training. So first thing we're gonna do is take the chamber position. Right stick is over the right shoulder. Left stick is down by the right hip. So both sticks are on the same side of the body. I want you to think of this terminology as we're going through the standard 6 striking pattern. High, low, high. Yep, that's it. High, low, high. So what's happening is this top hand right here, I'm going to strike high. Pull it over to my opposite shoulder. My left hand is now going to strike low. As my left hand comes to my left shoulder, I'm going to strike high with my right hand and then tuck it underneath. Now both sticks are on the left side of my body. I'm gonna mirror the exact same stuff, but on the other side. My left hand's gonna strike high. I'm gonna pull it to the opposite shoulder. My right hand's gonna strike low. As it comes up, I'm gonna switch positions with my sticks and strike high and bounce it back with my left hand. And that's our standard 6. We got 6 strikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we have our right hand and our left hand back to the right hand. That switches the chamber position. Now we start with the left hand, strike the right hand, left hand, and back to the right chamber position. I'm gonna turn around. Let's do like at least 3 repetitions together, nice and slow. Starting off the right chamber position. Right hand strikes first, strike high, and then pull it. Left hand, strike it. As it comes up into chamber position, strike the right hand, bounce it back to the left hip. Left hand, strike it, bring it to the right shoulder, strike low, striking upwards on the right hand. As it comes over to the shoulder, strike the left hand, and then bounce it back. Now let's do it again, make it a little smoother this time. Right hand, left hand, right hand, bounce it. Left hand, right hand, left hand, and bounce it. One more time. Right, left, right, left, right, left. So that's it. That's all it takes. Just start nice and slow, just like this, and just focus on each movement one step at a time, and you will build it up into this basic Sinawali striking pattern on your double sticks. Sinawali means to weave. And if you notice, my hands are kind of weaving as I'm striking my weapons. And that's where the Sinawali name comes from. We're weaving our weapons, we're weaving our hands. If you need a pair of rattan collie sticks to train with, head over to colliecenter.com. Go check out our partner store, Trigonal Gear. Go and order yourself a pair or 2 of collie rattan sticks, and they also will come with a complimentary stick bag. Just go ahead and slide them on in there, throw them on your shoulder, and you can bring your collie training anywhere. Thanks so much for training with me today. Give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel here at Collie Center, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the bell to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And if you want to dive deeper into your collie training, head over to colliecenter.com and go check out all my many training programs, DVD downloads, my online school. Got a lot of great training available for you. And until next time, go train, have fun, and maybe I'll see you over at colliecenter.com in just a minute.